Hello, excited cats and kittens. I hope you're all having a wonderful festive season thus far. You're probably here because you're looking for some last-minute inspiration for some Christmas snacks for your cats. Because cats deserve a Christmas feast too. Today I'm making a 3-course Christmas cat treat spread. I say treat because that is exactly what these decadent meals should be, an occasional treat. All 3 of these meals are safe for your cats to consume in small portions. However, it shouldn't be fed to your cat very often, and it also shouldn't replace your cat's usual cat food. Cats must eat a complete and balanced meal that is found in high-quality cat food. Here are a couple of notes before we begin. Since Millie and I are proudly South African, I decided to use biltong in one of the dishes. Biltong is also Millie's favorite snack, so I wanted to feed her something that she would enjoy. It's important to remember that biltong or beef jerky can be very high in sodium, so it's important to look for an unseasoned, low-sodium dried meat. You can also switch out the biltong for unseasoned ground beef instead. You're also welcome to use turkey instead of chicken. Also, check the description below for some vet-approved homemade cat gravy recipes. If you're making your own gravy from scratch, it's important to remember not to add any seasoning, as this can be harmful to your cat. Or you can just look online or at your local pet store for a cat gravy. If you love cats and you love learning everything there is to know about them, I highly suggest you subscribe to our channel to catch us every Monday with new, interesting cat care videos. And remember to turn on the bell so you don't miss a thing. This information has been fact-checked and vet-approved by our in-house veterinarian, Dr. Paola Cuevas. Well, there you have it. Millie's full, I'm tired, and it's time to go rest. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and have a fantastic Christmas. I just want to take a moment to say thank you to each and every one of you for your continued support on this channel. I love making cat care content, and I love helping cat owners be the best cat parents they can be. I look forward to this journey with you. Thank you for watching, and see you next year.